I want to welcome you to our Weather 101. I am Chief Meteorologist Paul Williams, and today we want to talk about pothole season. And this is something that's of some interest because now that we're beginning, and hopefully we'll finally leave, the coldness of the winter months behind us, this becomes a time on which potholes become problematic. And so the question is, well, what is it, the climate change and weather, how does that actually create potholes for us? So we want to kind of go over something that's a little bit of a unique topic, but that's actually why we like giving you these Weather 101. So I'm going to go full screen so you can see it a little bit better, because your chances are you're viewing this on your phone. So first of all, with pothole season, all right, so we have just basically a bit of a road here. And so first of all, water seeps through the cracks in the road, which collects underneath, softening the road. So we're looking at pavement surface and the rock base, and then the soil that's underneath all of that. Now that water that seeps in, it collects. Now here's the thing that's interesting. Once the water freezes, it expands and forces the pavement upward, kind of like a pimple in your skin, okay? So as that forcing up happens, it creates a bit of a bump, so to speak, along the road. And then once the water freezes and it expands, traffic adds extra stress to the already weakened pavement because it's thinned the skin, so to speak, of that layer, which is an interesting situation on how potholes begin and develop. So once the drier weather arrives, and warmer in some cases, the water dissipates, leaving a hole under the pavement that you don't quite see initially, but over time, the weight of a passing vehicle causes the road surface to collapse into the hole that's underneath it, that's hidden. And then when that occurs, we see it begin to create that dip, and finally the pothole is formed where the road collapsed. And that's also due to continuous traffic, which will allow for those potholes to get even bigger and even more pronounced. So if you always wondered, why do we have potholes? How do they develop? And is there any way to stop it? Well, bottom line is, water is going to always seep between the cracks and crevices of any kind of pavement or asphalt that we have. So potholes will become a continuous climatological concern. I'm Coast TV Chief Meteorologist Paul Williams. This is Weather 101.